ran, when you ran, it was in 5 for playing golf. Yeah. So it means I didn't
then back towards us through Village and Church, through towards Brooklands, and then down to Woodham Hill and the chicane. Maybe Jenkins ahead of the pack, but it's not being in position that's so much important in this one. Ryan Smith has dropped right away from his fellow drivers here. Whether he's limbering up to go for a fast lap this time through, or whether he has got a problem, I'm not sure. Through they come. Ryan still quickest in the times. David Jenkins goes through as a 138.4, a couple of tenths off his personal best. Ricky Collins goes quicker, 139.835. He's third fastest. John Newell goes by, the blue and white number 18. There is Ray Coleman. Then Patty on 2.883. Mark Taylor with 141.049. Here comes Ryan Williams. Big chicane. Dropped right away from everybody else. He's quickening up again now, so he was dropping away to ensure himself plenty of clear track space to go for a flying lap. Last lap at 2 minutes 11. So he's dropped right away, so he's not in among any other trucks that may hold him up as he goes for a fast lap here. So watch that number 1 MAX heading up towards the complex now. He is on a hot one here, Ryan Smith. Been calling flying Ryan for the big 3 consecutive years. He's been Division 1 champion, raced in the European Championship as well. 0.7 of a second quicker than David Jenkins at the moment. Here comes Jenkins up Woodham Hill. Predominantly black MAN, number 69. Wings it through, takes some curve on the inside on all 3 elements of the chicane.
Dave, a quick note on Dave Jenkins. He's very busy in the Division 2 session, not just preparing his truck and getting ready and in the correct mindset for his session, but he's also helping run Paul Rivette's truck this year and was out in pit lane just having a chat with Paul, who put it on pole in the Division 2 qualifying session. So Dave Jenkins had a busy morning, not just concentrating on his own efforts, but also helping WC Motorsport with their 2 efforts. So Jenkins' truck as well was also driven at Pembrey last weekend by running drive we see move into truck racing at some point later in late year. So Dave Jenkins having a busy morning.
Well, we own Donovan in a race truck. Rallycross champion.
He's always said he wanted to do it and had a test at Pembrey on the day before the British Rallycross round last weekend with Dave Jenkins' truck. So yes, truck racing.
It's a similar style of racing, isn't it? Very rough and tumble style